Your windows play a bigger role in your home's comfort and energy costs than you might realize. In Conway, where summers can be hot and humid and winters still bring chilly days, outdated windows can quietly drive up utility bills and make your home less comfortable year-round. If you're wondering whether it's time for an energy-efficient window replacement, there are several clear signs to watch for. Rising energy bills without explanation. If your heating and cooling costs keep climbing even though your usage habits haven't changed, your windows could be the culprit. Older or poorly insulated windows allow air to leak in and out, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, helping your home stay cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Many Conway homeowners notice a real difference in their monthly bills after upgrading. Drafts and temperature swings. Do you feel cold air near your windows in winter or warm air seeping in during summer? Drafts are one of the most common signs that windows are no longer sealing properly. Even small gaps can cause noticeable temperature swings from room to room. Energy-efficient replacement windows create a tighter seal, eliminating drafts and keeping indoor temperatures more consistent throughout your home. Condensation between the glass panes. Foggy windows or condensation trapped between glass panes usually means the window seal has failed. When this happens, the insulating gas escapes and moisture enters, reducing the window's energy performance. Not only does this affect efficiency, but it can also block natural light and hurt your home's appearance. Modern energy-efficient windows are built with advanced sealing technology to prevent this issue. Faded furniture, floors, or curtains. If you've noticed your furniture, hardwood floors, or curtains fading over time, your windows may be allowing too much ultraviolet (UV) light into your home. Energy-efficient windows often include special coatings that block harmful UV rays while still letting in plenty of natural light. This helps protect your interior while keeping your living spaces bright and inviting. Outside noise is too loud indoors. Living in Conway means enjoying a growing community, but it can also mean more traffic and neighborhood noise. If you hear every car passing by or conversations outside your home, your windows may not be doing their job. Energy-efficient windows often provide better sound insulation, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Windows are hard to open or close. Windows that stick, jam, or won't stay open are more than just an inconvenience. They can also indicate warped frames or worn components that affect insulation. New energy-efficient windows operate smoothly and seal tightly, improving both usability and energy performance. Your home still has single-pane or very old windows. If your Conway home still has single-pane windows or windows that are decades old, chances are they're far less efficient than today's options. Modern energy-efficient windows use double or triple panes, advanced frame materials, and specialized glass to dramatically reduce energy loss. The benefits go beyond energy savings. Replacing your windows isn't just about lower utility bills. Energy-efficient window replacement can boost your home's comfort, improve curb appeal, increase resale value, and reduce wear and tear on your HVAC system. For many Conway homeowners, it's an investment that pays off in both daily comfort and long-term savings. If you're noticing one or more of these signs, it may be time to consider energy-efficient window replacement. The right windows can transform how your home feels, looks, and performs, making your Conway home more comfortable no matter the season.